Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a quick review about a product which I have been trying since a week, more than a week, I guess so. This is the brand I wanted to collab since a long. I was seeing their campaigns and everything going on, so I was very happy when I got an opportunity to try out their products and give my own opinion. So here we are with the review of Pilgrim products for myself, which have worked amazingly. Okay, so I have toned my face. I'm just applying a little bit of eye cream so we can start with the product review. So yeah, so I'll just pat my eye cream under my eye. I do not rub because my skin is super sensitive already and I don't want to spoil it more. The best part about the product we are going to talk about is for aging and the problems which I'm currently having, which is dryness. My skin is not dry, but still I feel like dry, so hyaluronic acid would be the perfect ingredient for my skin, and retinol for my dark circles, pigmentation and the wrinkles. So before eye cream I also use serum for my skin. I don't use oil based serum. I use water based serum because I get acne very quickly, so I don't have, it's out of stock right now for me. I need to restock my serum. So before eye cream I also use serum for my skin. I don't use oil based serum. I use water based serum because I get acne very quickly, so I don't have, it's out of stock right now for me. I need to restock my serum. But anyways, let's talk about this night cream which I have been currently using by Pilgrim. It has the perfect ingredients which my skin needs, which is retinol, hyaluronic acid. All the details will be in the description box. I'll obviously show you the texture, but you need to see when I apply it and how I apply it. So I'll take a little bit of it on my skin and gently pat it into my skin. Also, for the texture, it is not creamy, it's gel like consistency, and it goes very smooth, so you don't have to rub your skin a lot to absorb into the skin. As you can already see, I'm just patting down on my skin and I'll massage it till it absorbs into my skin. And I always apply this before an hour before I sleep because I have a habit to sleep muh ke upar, so all the creams all gets on my pillowcase. So better I apply it 1 hour before. So as you can see, it gives you a little bit of dewy. It won't feel sticky at all. It will absorb into your skin. So if you are a person who doesn't like a sticky moisturizer at night, this is the perfect jam for you. Even I don't like to be oily. Like, I like to lather all the skincare on my skin, but I don't like the oily feel. So this is a good way for me to get into all this ingredients without getting very frustrated. And another product which we have is the hand and nail cream. As you can see, my cuticles are super bad, so this is like a good spa treatment for my hand and nails. My cuticles need a lot of attention because I have been nail biting a lot due to my frustration things happening in my life. So yeah, this is what I think may help my nail cuticles and my hand to keep them soft, which is very good. And the fragrance is also not too strong. It's like more of a beachy vibe. All the ingredients have a beachy vibe smell. It's very sweet and simple. My skincare routine, it's not too much. As you can already see, the only ingredient right now missing is my serum, which is completed. I need to restock it, or else this is it. Simple CTM which I do for my skin, and now I'll do little bit of hair care also. And the Chumpy, we have also used a hand cream. So now sleep good night, guys, and I hope you like this review. I would definitely recommend this. I don't have any reaction on my face. As you can see, I have no acne on my face. I've been using this since a week. So if there is no acne on my skin, it definitely get a thumbs up. Also, please do a patch test before trying any product which I or anyone recommends you, because every skin type is different. Something which may suit me won't suit you. So please make sure that you take care. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more quick reviews about the products. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.